Okay, we got a wind advisory for today. That is until 9 p.m. And wind gusts are going to get pretty gnarly this afternoon. But we've got to get through the rainfall. The rainfall won't be much in terms of amounts. Afterwards, the front passes. Here comes the wind. We're talking wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour for just about everybody for the entire afternoon and even carrying over into the evening. Prepare for that. We can't get away from the windy situations just yet. So sorry for Interview with Inflatables. Santa's going to be like tangled up next door. Rudolph's 3 streets over. He's lost. He doesn't know where anything is. But once we get through this, things are pretty good. All the way through Christmas, but it will be a brown Christmas. Maybe an idiot. I'm not stupid. Spencer Shea. Words to live by.